How to transfer WhatsApp account and chats from old phone to new phone. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the quick way to transfer WhatsApp account and chats from old phone to new phone. So remember to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. Now without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, on your new phone, you have to install WhatsApp from Play Store or App Store and make sure to open it. After that, on your old phone, open WhatsApp and log into your particular account. Tap three dots at top right corner of the screen and select Settings. Scroll down, tap Chats, scroll down and tap Transfer Chats. Here, tap on Start button to transfer chat history to Android phone. After that, you have to tap Continue to allow access so your phones can connect over Wi-Fi. Tap Allow button. Now on this page, you have to scan the QR code. So firstly, download WhatsApp on your new phone and you have to register with the same phone number on your new phone as well. And you have to use this phone to scan the QR code shown on your new phone. So on your new phone, when you verify your number, that is the same number that is connected to your old phone, then you will get the notification or pop-up message that says transfer chat history from old phone. And you have to click on the continue button on that page and also grant permission or give permissions to access the Wi-Fi devices. And you have to tap allow. There you will go get the QR code that you have to scan with your old phone. After that, by scanning the old phone or the QR code from your old phone, you can easily transfer WhatsApp account and chats from old phone to new phone. So that is quite simple and easy. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.